What's up, family? Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my blueberry butter swim biscuits. Now when I say butter swim biscuits, y'all, these biscuits are literally swimming in butter in order to bake. Like, a lot of butter.
Today we're making these from scratch, but if you want to save yourself some time, just grab a pack of Biscuits. We're going to start with some all-purpose flour and some baking powder. Now we're going to sift this into our bowl in order to properly incorporate the baking powder and the flour. Now that we got that all together, we're going to add some granulated white sugar. After mixing up the sugar and the salt, we're going to add some cold buttermilk. I like to start with half before mixing it in and then adding the rest. We're just going to thoroughly incorporate all of our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients without over mixing it. And last but not least, our fresh blueberries. Try to use something soft like a rubber spatula to incorporate your blueberries so you don't burst them open. Now these are butter swim biscuits, so we're going to add some melted unsalted butter to our baking dish first. Add our biscuit dough and use your spatula to gently push the dough to the edges of the pan. These are butter swim biscuits. Butter swim biscuits. There's nothing healthy about this. Do not comment asking me for a healthy recipe or a healthy version of this. If you do, now we're going to bake this at 450 degrees for about 30 minutes or until our biscuits are perfectly golden brown. Now that this is fully baked, it's time for the secret ingredients. Because I'm on a mission to grow all of your backs, we're going to top this with la cheddar sweetened condensed milk.
And for the cut, you don't have to do anything in particular. If you want to cut them a little smaller for your kids or for a brunch party or something like that, that's totally fine. There's just something about these big dramatic biscuits that just make the experience so much better. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would subscribe so you can stay up to date with new recipes. If you have any questions about a recipe or you ever need any help, just leave a comment or shoot me a DM and I will get back to you as soon as I can.